Hey growers, noticing strange bumps or wrinkles on your hydroponic lettuce? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down exactly what causes these deformations and how to fix them so you can grow smooth, healthy leaves. Let's get started. First, let's determine if this is a natural leaf texture or an actual problem. Some lettuce varieties, like romaine and butterhead, naturally have a bit of texture. But if your lettuce looks overly bumpy, blistered, or puckered, it's a sign something's off. A great way to check is by looking up full-grown versions of your lettuce variety online. Compare the lettuce structure and texture of your plant to reference images to see if yours is developing as expected. One of the most common causes of bumpy lettuce is poor airflow. When humidity gets too high, plants absorb more water than they can release, causing cells to swell and create those bumps. Make sure you have a fan gently moving air around your plants and keep humidity between 50 and 60%. This will prevent moisture buildup on the leaves. Lighting can also be a major factor. Too much intense light or the wrong spectrum can cause stress and deformities. If you're using strong LED grow lights, try raising them a few inches higher or reducing the photo period to around 12 to 14 hours per day. Also ensure your lights are full spectrum, as excessive blue or UV light can contribute to leaf distortion. Finally, a calcium or magnesium deficiency could be making things worse. These nutrients help with cell structure and leaf development. Try adding a CalMag supplement to your nutrient solution at a rate of about 3 to 5 milliliters per gallon. This should strengthen the leaves and help prevent further deformities. And that's it. With better airflow, proper lighting, and the right nutrients, your hydroponic lettuce should be back to growing smooth and healthy in no time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Happy growing!